Hi there, welcome to Launch. We're going to work on some mobility exercises today. This one's called the Inchworm. There's a lot of ways to change this and tweak it a bit, so let's dive right in. Coach Ginny is going to demonstrate for us today. We're going to start with the basic inchworm. Standing nice and tall, go ahead, bend your knees, put your palms on the floor, and you're going to walk your body out to a straight plank position. From there, walk your body back. Go ahead and push back into a full upright standing position. Why don't you do that again for us? Bend the knees, bring the palms down to the floor, walk out to a plank position. Pushing through your hands to push your body back up to a full upright stand. Now we're going to add the knees. So Ginny, why don't you go down into that position again here? And something that you can do is just bend both of your knees, bring them down toward the floor, and straighten them out. Bend your knees, bring them toward the floor, straighten them out. If you want to kiss your knees to the floor, you can. Otherwise, you can leave your legs off the floor, and that's fine. One more addition that we can do to this is what we call ankle pumping. So she's looking like she's running, moving the feet and ankles up and down. And then we'll go ahead and push back up into that full upright standing position. Why don't you go ahead and show us that full thing? All the way down, add the knees, add the ankles, and go back up. Knee mobility there. Ankle pumping. And back up with our inchworm. This can be done stationary in one spot, just like she is, back and forth. Or if you've got a long hallway or a long open turf area somewhere to work, you can actually move up and down like an inchworm and go across the floor doing this activity.